Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. Today we're planting lettuce and spinach the calm way, no overthinking. Just giving leafy greens exactly what they need. Leaves like nitrogen, baby. Lettuce and spinach are leaf crops, so we feed Leave Me Alone. This supports leafy growth without stressing your plants. Loosen soil. The soil in this raised bed was dipping a little low, so I added some potting mix that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Here I'm sprinkling in some compost. It's nice, soft, loose soil for those seeds to germinate. These beds were protected over the winter with a layer of leaves. Sow your lettuce seeds shallow. Very small lettuce seeds. Pat them in to ensure good contact with the soil. Okay, as for the spinach, we're going to sow these spinach seeds about a half an inch in depth and 3 to 6 inches apart. Making a couple rows with my finger. Here are the spinach seeds. I'm going to do mine about maybe about 3 inches apart. I plan on harvesting my spinach when it's young and tender. So I don't need a whole lot of spacing in between because I plan on harvesting often. If you're not harvesting often, you probably want to give it about 6 inches apart so that the plant has space to grow. Lightly cover this up and water it in. Water it in. My watering can from the Dollar Tree. Check out my Dollar Tree videos. Water it in really well. It's still pretty cool here. I won't have to worry about the soil drying out. Not too badly. Once your seeds have germinated and they have their true set of leaves, you can go ahead and start a feeding schedule. Every 2 to 3 weeks, feed lightly with Leave Me Alone. I started some spinach already, and as you can see, it has already germinated. Here's my Leave Me Alone. What you'll do is once your spinach or your lettuce has germinated, or any leafy greens, once it gets to this point, you just want to shake a little fertilizer in there. They're still small, so they don't require a whole lot of nutrients right now, but just a little bit to keep them stabilized. Just a little nutrition. The cloches are not necessary, but I used it because I wanted faster germination, but totally not necessary. So now that I've given it the Leave Me Alone, I'm going to water this fertilizer in. Keep the soil from drying out. And this is how you would use Leave Me Alone for all of your leafy greens. If you want quick harvest in early spring, lettuce and spinach are some of the easiest crops to grow. If you want salad, feed those leaves. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.